Hello everyone. This is just a short video, kind of a how-to set up your gradebook. We are going to be using the Spanish 2 classes as an example. Her categories are weighted and she is just a trimester class. Thank you, Miss Lewis, for letting us use you as an example. If you have a class that is an all year long class, like our biology or U.S. history, those are going to be a little bit different, and we'll talk about that a little later. But first thing, you go to your instruction, you click on your gradebook. First, you will need to create your categories. Now, Miss Lewis is weighting her categories. You can do however you would like. You can do them all at once if you would like. You click the add button down here at the bottom. We are going to create her categories. Like I said, she wanted hers weighted, so we will type that weight in. You don't have to weight your categories. You can just go based on a point system, whatever you prefer. You click save, and then you create a new one. So we will create all of her categories here before we get started. Alright, and then all of her categories pop up over here to the left. Like I said, you don't have to have weights on your categories, so you would just skip putting in that weighted number there at the bottom. Once you have all your categories created, you close the section out and you go to Grade Calc Options. We're going to do this by each individual class because some of them will be different. For a 12-week class, everyone's gradebook should look like this. And so you're going to click in progress for all of your sections. Now, if you're teaching an all-year class, like we talked about the biology, any AP class, your U.S. history, those are also going to have a trimester 1, 2, and 3 there at the bottom. That is averaged into your score. So if you look here, you've clicked in progress. That's so that it shows up as you are going throughout the trimester. You will find the GCHS grading scale right here. The categories are weighted, so you click that for each one. So the final grade, you are going to check the composite box, and this is going to have your 6 weeks. That is going to be 40. Then you click add for your 12 weeks. That is also 40. And then you click the exam grade, which is your final, and that is worth 20%. Once you have done that, you click save. You then have your gradebook set up correctly. Once you do that, you're ready to start putting in assignments. You can put your settings back over, click the add button, and this is just to post an assignment. So you type in your your assignment name. We'll just, for this, call it homework 1 for this example. You can add all of the classes that you would like so that it shows up in more than one, or you could leave it just as one. You can put your category there, and then you can put your total points. So once you do that, you can click Save. And close that out, and then your assignment will show up here under the homework topic category. So you're good to go. You're good to get started. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember to set up those grade calc options for each class. Some classes, like I said, will be a different weight. If you have any questions about that difference, please let me know.